right, well that fired up like nothing. That was great. As you can see, I brought the bulldozer down to the property here. I'm going to go and do some trail cleaning a little bit with it. I'm going to take down that tree I was complaining about a video or two ago. And first, actually, let's climb over this pile of garbage that I was trying to prove, or that I was trying to do with the Oliver. I'll show you what I was attempting to actually do and how it should have been done. But then we're going to go clear some trails. We'll let the old girl warm up for a few minutes, then we'll get after it. Yeah, so that's what I was trying to do. That climbs a little bit better, got a little bit more weight in the front. Well, a little bit more weight everywhere, really. It actually crushed down that pile, as I'm sure you saw. But anyways, that was fun. All right, let's go into the woods and see if I can clean anything up with this. Now, I am going to struggle with the steering because I still haven't fixed the pad on the right-hand side. And I'm not sure. I think the left side was fine. But anyways, yeah, so if you wonder why I'm struggling steering, look like a new operator, that would be why. But let's go see what we can do. So I'm out one of the bigger mud holes now. You've seen us in here, just about get stuck a couple times with tractors. I'm going to knock this tree down here to take this bit of a turn out of here, which is a bit of a pain in the butt. It'd be nice if we could get a little bit wider and straddle these ruts sometimes if we need to. So yeah, I'm going to knock this down. I'm going to shove it that way, and then yeah, go from there. see the bulldozer had no problem with that. Obviously no issue going through the mud with it. Those big cleats on it didn't have a problem at all. I'll probably have to dig the mud out of the tracks though. But anyways, yeah, so we opened that up. Anyways, that's good for right now. I am running out of time right now today. But anyways, yeah, right now I got to head back. That's good for now. Where I want to go next is actually that way, so I'll drive through this hole now anyway. Well, that was a quick little video of just using the dozer to get rid of that tree that's been a pain in my butt for a while now. I had intended to clear some more trail, but ran out of time today, but that's all right. We'll do it next time. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching.